we are getting to the barn kind of late. It's like almost 6 o'clock. But thanks to daylight savings, it's still light outside. The horses have already been brought in. They're eating their dinner. So I guess we're just gonna clean Johnny up a little bit and graze him. So it looks like the bugs are already awake. It's like, what, 70 degrees out? Johnny is swishing that tail. That tail could use a little TLC. What do you say we spend some time getting Johnny's mane and tail like super awesome?
We should definitely go get some products and whatnot.
Sounds like a plan. I've been doing a little bit of research on shampoos and conditioners that will be good to use on Johnny. A lot of people are suggesting mane and tail. I am very familiar with that. It's inexpensive. You can get it at like Walgreens and stuff. And we use that right now. But I am also seeing Suave. And that is the one that our trainer said to use when we first got Johnny. So that might be a good way to go. Plus, everyone says that it smells really good. And it can make his tail all extra smooth. And you can find it pretty much anywhere. I'm at Target and I found Suave, but like it's not like a regular Suave, like apple or something. They have all these crazy different combinations. What is this? Rosemary mint? No, I just want like apple. Okay, so I found Daily Clarifying. No, it's gonna dry them out. Ultra sleek and smooth. I'm dropping stuff here. I'm a little concerned that there's gonna be a lot of chemicals in this that we probably shouldn't put on him. So let's see if mane and tail is here. Here is the mane and tail. We have the original shampoo and conditioner. Then there is Herbal Grow and Deep Moisturizing. So too many choices. This one has the least amount of ingredients. So I'm probably gonna go with this. Since I'm already at Target, I might as well check out the toys right quick. Spirit riding free. It's bath day. We're using the mane and tail shampoo to get him clean. It's got some nice bubbles going on there.
The bubbles are like brown, which is gross though.
But they won't be brown for long. On second thought, this might take 2 washes. Let me hook you up right quick, Johnny. There you go. Looking good.
She's rinsing him off. My hands are so cold right now. Like crazy cold. But his mane looks amazing. Like if you can see that lighting is terrible in here. Like you see, whoa. Oh my gosh, like it's amazing.
For conditioner, we are using Cowboy Magic. I went to the tack shop and picked this up. The lady that works there said that this was her favorite product, and I love the detangler, so we're gonna try the conditioner. Ooh, it smells good. It revitalizes and detangles.
That sounds like a bad shampoo commercial.
But it's true.
It smells so good. Like really good.
The water's warm.
It is?
Yeah, because I put it on warm. Now we're adding Cowboy Magic Detangler and Shine. This one was a little pricey. Yup. Look at that. One more time for the camera. Today, the weather got to 70 degrees, so we thought it was a perfect day to wash him. And he really needed it. He was dirty. We didn't wash him like the entire winter. Well, because it was too cold. You can't. Plus, it was completely pointless. All he does is roll in mud every day. But let's be honest. We're going to come back tomorrow, and he's going to be all dirty again.
It's Sunday and he's still super dirty. I don't understand how or why, but he is. But it's not actually that bad. It's not taking that long to get him cleaned up.
So now we can do his hair. We're gonna practice a hairstyle. I'm gonna add this cowboy magic again. Just need a little bit, about the size of a nickel. Then just work it into his tail. I do not think a nickel was nearly enough product. Let's add a little more. Okay, maybe that was more than a little, but it's gonna work this time. Look at that, the comb is going right through.
That's crazy. I'm going to do a French braid, I hope.
He's like, will you hurry up and get my tail done?
I divide the hair into 3 sections. Then I braid, adding a little bit of hair from the sides each time.
Ah, that is looking good. I mean, it's a little loose right there at the top, but you know.
It looks terrible.
It's not that bad. Besides, practice makes better. I'm giving it a try, and I think it does work a little better if you just take a tiny bit of hair from the sides. Not bad, but then again, not the best. We'll try again tomorrow. All that work, and we have to take it out. Ah, look at my hands. That's gross. What are you doing? Huh? Hey, you. It is Wednesday, March 21st. I'm sorry, March 20th, the very first day of spring. It's gorgeous outside. A little brisk, but nice. I don't think that is the right halter. It doesn't even fit. Johnny, did she give you somebody else's halter? In honor of Johnny's new do, we got new do's! Took out the braids! My hair is just like all over the place. We were gonna come out here and practice braiding again, but I don't know. Every day he's dirty. It's like an uphill battle. And I think we just want to play instead. Can't be all business all the time. Sometimes you have to stop and smell the roses. Or in this case, the manure.
That's disgusting.
But seriously, horses have manure. It's like a fact of life. That's like their job, is to produce lots and lots of manure, and they do it well. What goes in must come out. After 2 weeks of working on his hair, we can do an okay braid. What are you doing?
Slow motion.
Are you taking selfies? I'm glad to see that somebody is enjoying their hair. Honestly, I don't think Johnny appreciates the hair braiding situation. He likes to be free, all natural.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live.
Saturdays are for horses, and we have made it to the barn. This week has been all about hair. Loving these curls. And little Froggy is jamming. Look at that puff. I mean, that is some impressive height. It is adorable. Gotta say, I love it.
We're gonna give Johnny's tail one more try. If it doesn't work this time, we're just gonna give up.
Won't let go, so let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out, your doubts won't hold us.
That's so gross. I love spring, but shedding.
We go, oh, do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it.
Not bad. I think we did a much better job this time. So we got our hair done and Johnny got his tail done. Practice makes better. It's a little lopsided. But you know what? It's better than the other day. Thank you for joining us for another Fabsome Horses.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!